Hello everyone, Thomas34 here with a look at your weather discussion for June 20th, 2011. Want to talk to you guys a little bit about two things. First of all, the tropics. Now, of course, this probably doesn't concern any of us, and this will not concern any of us in the U.S. I know that for a fact, but there is, in case you're curious, in case you have relatives that are like, there is a tropical storm right now, soon to be hurricane. I think it's called Dicussion, that is happening in the Pacific Ocean right now, pretty close to the Mexican Riviera right now. Forecast to actually become a Category 1 hurricane here, as it encounters some very warm ocean temperatures and very little in the way of any wind chill. So if you got friends or relatives living along the Mexican Riviera, or perhaps, I don't know why, but if you'd be happening to be watching this and you're from the that area, just keep an eye on it. Category 1 hurricane is eventually forecasted to develop within the next 24 to 48 hours. Alright, back to weather here in the northeastern United States. We've got some severe weather potential here. That would be for Thursday, for the end of this upcoming work week. That is because we are going to have a cold front. Now, before that cold front, we're going to have a warm front. What that warm front will help to do is destabilize the atmosphere, in that it will basically, do what all warm fronts are known for doing: warmer temperatures, create more instability, of course, by warming those temperatures, raising humidity levels, and of course raising the dew points, because of course the warm air, basically you need some moisture to drive that warm air, so the dew points in turn are going to rise and the humidity levels are going to rise, and you're going to get that pretty nasty setup here for these showers and storms when that preceding cold front pushes on through the region. So cold front will push on into the region. That is going to be happening on Thursday, and throughout the week, I should mention, there are some weak scattered impulses that will be pushing through the area, but the best chance of severe organized storms would be, looks like Thursday, perhaps into Friday. We'll have to wait and see on that. But Thursday, Friday, I'd be watching out here for the potential of some scattered, strong, isolated, severe thunderstorms that would be, again, for all of us living along the northeastern seaboard, as we'll have, generally the right conditions. At Cape values, I do not know yet, because it's a little bit too early to be looking at that. The National Weather Service doesn't have that information up just yet, but they're certainly watching where the storms are right now. For the Iowa area, National Weather Service is giving a 45% chance of severe weather if you go on the Storm Prediction Center website. That's the exact same storm system that will be coming up for us here in Connecticut, and of course the entire northeastern region. Now, when that happens, the storm system maybe will not be packing as much of a punch as it is currently in the Midwest, and it will be in the Great Lakes, but it's still something worth watching, something worth keeping an eye on, and that's pretty much all I wanted to tell you guys for today. Keep an eye on it. I'll keep you updated. Just remember to click on Thomas34 YouTube page frequently throughout the next several days here for the very latest on this impending severe weather potential that may or may not happen, but I'm thinking that it probably will. Alright, so stay tuned for that.